Hi, welcome to the training. My name is Singh. Today I will be going over the web card training. In this training, I'll cover the AI customer support assistant. So I'm on the website here. This is our landing page for our web cards. So I'm going to choose here and I will go to the web cards. And let's go to the live demos. I'm gonna pick one here. I'll pick the boba shop one. Okay. So all of our web cards have the AI integrated into it. You can see it towards the lower right hand corner here. Okay. So say you have all these items here. This is the main ordering site. So I can choose from the menus here, and I can add items from my menu here, and then it'll get my total here. So I'm going to take that off here, okay, and I'm going to use the AI assistant here. So we'll look at this brown sugar boba here, okay. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to launch the AI. So it's going to say, hi, my name is Lily. I can help you choose items from the menu. So let's ask the AI some question. And for the web cart, it's extremely helpful if you have an AI order assistant, because a lot of the time your customers will have questions about your menu, about what goes with what, certain options, prices, and instead of, if you have a very large menu, okay, here I don't have a large menu here. This is just a demo here. I have some boba drinks, I have some regular drinks, and then I have some desserts here. Okay, so if you have a very large menu list, having an AI order assistant is very, very helpful. One of the main reasons is that your customer, instead of actually calling you and or your staff and asking you about certain product, they can ask the AI, and the AI can give them descriptions, allergens, dietary descriptions, things that goes well with it as well. Okay, these are all based on the settings that you have inputted into your menu options. Okay, so I'm gonna ask my AI here. Let's ask this a question here. Let's say, how much is the, let's say, the brown sugar boba? Okay, and the AI can respond and tell your customer here prices are small for $5.99, and then you can tell the AI actually to add that into your order as well. So let's ask it to add. So let's tell it add two small, let's say small brown sugar boba prices. Okay. Oh, not prices. I should have just said boba there. So it's gonna think, and it's probably not gonna respond. Oh, there you go. So it added two. You're actually smart enough to figure that out. Okay. So if I close that, you can see that without choosing it at all, the AI can automatically add that in. So there you go. It added two already. It's going to tell you the total here. Okay. So it's especially if you have set, let's say, I'll click on this one here. It doesn't have any description at the bottom, but if you added all the dietary ingredients, allergens, and etc., it's going to show up on the bottom here. The AI can tell your customer if they're looking for a particular item. Let's say they want something that's gluten-free, or maybe fat-free, or sugar-free. Okay, instead of going through each item and looking through the different ingredients, they can use the AI to automatically tell them which item on your menu are fat-free, gluten-free, and etc. Okay, or sugar-free. So it makes it really simple. It's extremely helpful for your customers, and your customers can ask that. So here we're gonna see the total down here. Then we're going to go ahead and fill out our information here. I won't fill out the information here, but just going back to the AI here. Okay, so the AI comes with every single web card by default. The version that you're using most likely is gonna just be the demo version. Okay, so if you purchase a web card from us, the AI assistant is actually a separate charge to that. So just keep that in mind. It's not included. This is something that is out of our hands. If we activate it, we base it off of Gemini. So Gemini or Google will charge us for that, for using the AI, and it's based on quota. So on the demo, I believe it gets you around 20 questions or inputs and outputs. Okay, so once it hits that quota per day, then it kind of stops it. So we don't have any control over that. So if you purchase a web card, make sure to tell your sales associate that I want to integrate the AI with this. So there's an additional charge on top of the web card. Okay, and this is something that's out of our hands because Google will charge us for it. So you can purchase. I don't quote me now, but the prices changes a lot. But I believe about $10 a month gives you about, I believe, 10,000 or so inputs. So it's kind of based off of that. So the inputs aren't exact because it depends on how much data it pulls. So it's rated and there's a quota on it. So other than that, the prices fluctuate depending on if you need more inputs. Let's say if your site you're getting maybe 50 or 60 customers a day and they're interacting with the AI, and let's say they're asking them maybe 10 or 20 questions per order. That's not too much, okay? But if you're getting thousands of customers to your website, you're gonna need a bigger quota for that. So we can always adjust that, and that's billed to us by Google. So we don't really have a lot of control over that. So if you don't know how much you need, you can start with the bare minimum, usually about $10 a month or $20 with management from us, and then you can work your way up. If you notice that the AI is not responding well, because there's a lot of customers using it. Number one, is very helpful. That's probably why they're using it a lot. But number two, you can always increase the quota. Okay, and that's something that is part of Google's cloud service. Is part of the pay-as-you-go. So other than that, that would be it for the AI, and it's right here on the lower right hand corner. Your customers can use it, and it's extremely helpful. I use it a lot on these ordering site for demonstration, but there is a separate charge to it. Okay, so all of our web cart has the AI integrated in, and if you want to test it out, you can go here. Let me go back a little bit here. You can go back to our website here. I'll highlight it here so that you can see it. Okay, let me highlight it this way so you can see it. The extension there. Okay, you can go to that website and it'll list all of our web carts here, all the demos here, and feel free to test them out. Okay, there's a lot of information on the website as well. You could kind of read through it, look at some of our designs here. What does it come with? What it doesn't do, and what it does do, and play with a lot of our demos here. We have quite a few demos here, so play with the demos, test them out. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll go from there. Other than that, thank you for attending the training, and I'll see you in the next one.